So by default, you see the Gantt chart view right here. But if you want to go around and set out other views as default views, then you can go around onto the file menu and then you can go to options right here. So once you do that, over here on the general section right here, you can see the default view, and that is the Gantt with timeline, as you can see right here. But if you just want to see the Gantt chart, you can go around and press OK, and that will be set as the default view. So if I were to go around and click on new right here and select out a blank project, then that will be the default view right here. If I were to go around over here onto option and change it out to, let's say, for example, let's say resource seed right here and press OK. Let me just go around and create out a new blank project right here. Now you can see the resource seed as the default view. If I were to go around onto home right here and open up example project, you can see that the default view set for this particular project shows up. But whenever I go around and create a new blank project, then the resource seed is the default view now, and that is what shows up. And that is how you can go around and set out the default view for project inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.